Hey guys, so it's me. So today I'm showing you the weather today, and please distract. Not distract. Please ignore the talking that's going on right now. But this is how bad it is outside today. Sorry about my voice. The dogs, why are they out there?
Because they want to be.
It's not good. Poor puppy. I wish dogs had umbrellas.
Oh, going to the bathroom. Yeah, but they've got their place delayed. They're okay.
Oh no. Oh my gosh. That's so sad. Why are they out there? One's just running right there. Hi, babies. Oh my gosh. This is how deep their puddle is. Well, not their puddle. The puddle is. This is how big it is. All right. Hi, babies. Hey, babies. Hey, babies. I know. I know. Ah! Sorry. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to do that. Especially if you're wearing headphones. Hey, baby. I know. It's gonna be okay. Yeah, they're really good dogs. They don't deserve to be out there. They deserve to be inside. Why are they outside dogs, though? All they could use is just a bath. I mean, if they like the water out there, they must like the water in the bathtub. But here, it's so big. Like, all right here, and right here, we were gardening. So we dig a long hole right here. But all right here, up to here, around, and right there by my swing set. And all the way over there. That's how big this puddle is. And all right here, it all connects. So guys, comment down below if it's this flooded in your backyard. If it's raining. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bye, babies. Oh no, don't come. It's just, if they come here, it's just gonna make me so sad. Okay. Oh, sorry about that noise. So guys, like and subscribe and comment down below. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all and goodbye.